And this is how you take out the underdash. 210 mils. Right here. Up under the little hood release that I popped by accident. It has to come out towards you anyway. See him at the end over here? Two little holes. There you go. Now, you can start pulling and get this door off, because this is attached to it. So you can use something like this. We're going to get this dash off. Come on. Get this out of our hand. See? That's attached. Now, there's a little overhang right here. There you go. Now, this side has nothing. Now, do we want to unplug that while it's running? But that's how you take the dash off. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.